name is Dana Johnson, and I'd like to share with you how to make a bacon and cheese appetizer to share with all your favorite friends and guests. So for a really cool idea for a bacon and cheddar appetizer, start out with 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Take a 1/4 cup right here of just some regular mayonnaise and combine them together. You want to make sure that the cheese is really well coated. And then what I've done is I've already pre-cooked some bacon strips, and then I'm going to just take and break them up and crumble them into this. You could also buy the pre-cooked crumbled bacon too, but I think this tastes much better. Go ahead and just add a couple strips again. Oops. So there's the cooked crumbled bacon in there. Now it's time to incorporate all of this together. You're going to get it to the microwave. Okay, so that was 1 minute in a 1000-watt microwave oven to make this wonderful appetizer dip. So now that I've stirred the melted cheese, mayonnaise, and bacon all together, I'm going to transfer it into a little dish. And you can serve this wonderful dip on a cracker or on a baguette of French bread sliced. So there you have it, bacon and cheddar appetizers. So tasty, sure to be a hit with all your guests. For more recipes, please see danasfamilykitchen.com.